In the previous video, we saw all of the brass collection on display at Kuber Creations Pvt Ltd. In this video, we see what else they have on display. After brass, what really excites me is wooden handicrafts and paintings, and they have plenty of them here. I love their collection of Tanjore paintings. In hand-painted traditional paintings, the most important feature is the face and the features that come with it, and in their collection, both of those are on point. The eyes and the face of the deities in the Tanjore paintings are soft and calm and just the way they should be, which is of course delightful to see. The brass artifacts and the Tanjore painting collection is on their third floor. Next, we head downstairs to the second floor and we are immediately greeted with a display of carved wooden furniture and wooden artifacts. As I mentioned in the previous video, Kuber Creations is located in Peenya and they mainly focus on selling to wholesale clients. But they've recently opened out their store to retail clients and you can go and take a look at the collection that they have and pick what you want for your home. I also mentioned in the previous video that we will speak more about starting a handicraft business and how to go about it in this one. If you have good taste and an eye for detail, you can get started with curating your own line from the Kuber Creations collection. With handicraft and handmade, the main challenge is the display. If you are able to present these products in a beautiful way where a customer can visualize these products in their home, you can definitely be a success in the handicraft business. For a regular customer who comes to a store like this, it is hard for them to visualize how a certain piece would look in their home. And if you can make that process simpler by curating your own collection and displaying in a way that people can visualize it in their homes, then you can definitely have a thriving handicraft and handmade business. And Kuber Creations will be happy to be your supplier and provide you with the goods to make your business a success. Kuber Creations has more than 8,000 products on display on their 2 floors which are available for viewing. Each floor approximately 4,200 square feet. And the products are laid out in a way that it's easier to look at each product and see what you want and decide without having a decision fatigue. They have something for every budget. If you have a gift shop or a bookstore and you would like specific souvenir kind of items, they have them for you. If you have a resort and you would like to display larger idols within your property, you can choose from here. If you want a very ornate teakwood mandir, they can give you that too. It's a visual treat at every corner of the store, and it's a great place to source a variety of items in one place. A lot of women entrepreneurs who are living in large societies with 600, 800 homes and want to start a handicraft business, this is a perfect partner for you to source products. You already have a captive audience of your society members to get started with your business. And with your unique eye for curating products and the collection at Kuber Creations, you can actually have a thriving handicraft business. The link to their Instagram page is in the description and also is the full address. In case you love something in this virtual shopping experience, you can take a screenshot and share it with them on Instagram, and somebody from the team should be able to help you. While brass is their major collection, they also have handicrafts in wood, other metal, fiber, bone inlay, marble, etc. All of the products at Kuber Creations is handmade, handicraft, and in a category that is timeless, which means you will never see these products go out of fashion or out of circulation. While one had to go to Delhi or Gujarat or Jaipur to get this variety of products, now this is available in the south and in Bangalore itself. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.